we guide you through how to process Stripe payments in Wave Accounting. So the first thing you need to do is to log into your Wave Accounting account and go straight to Banking tab, then select Connected Accounts to confirm that your Stripe account is already linked. If not, click Add a bank or credit card, search for Stripe, and securely connect it using your Stripe login details. Once connected, Wave will automatically import your Stripe payouts, not individual charges, so head over to the transactions page and locate the latest payout amount. Click on it and choose Split Transaction to properly categorize each fee and payments. Enter the gross sale amount as income under your preferred category, such as sales or service revenue. Then, add another line for Stripe fees and categorize it as merchant fees or bank charges to ensure your net payout matches exactly what hits your bank account. Next, if you're using invoices in Wave, match the payment by selecting Apply to an invoice so your records stay clean and unpaid balances don't pile up. Always double check the payout reports inside Stripe to confirm the numbers align before saving, because accurate matches prevents reconciliation problems later. And finally, make it a habit to review and approve imported transactions weekly so your financial reports stay real time and tax ready without extra cleanup.